Hello YouTube. Lately I have purchased not one but two pistols. Partly because over the last 6 months the gun market was so tied up that I was not able to find any gun to buy. And now with more and more guns available onto the market, I was able to finally get some of the guns that I've been wanting to have into my inventory of collections. So the first one is the Glock 19 Gen 4. This is the first ever Glock that I own. Believe it or not, I own quite a few pistols, but the Glock 19 is the first Glock I bought. But I think it's a good place to start if I want to buy more Glocks from now on. But I'm not really going to go into the details about this gun because there are a million the YouTube videos talking and reviewing this gun, so I'm gonna move on to my next purchase, the Springfield XDs in 9mm. Last year this gun came out in 45 ACP, which I was not interested buying because I did not think the small gun that chambers in 45 ACP is a good fit for me. I'm sure there are people that will work well with this gun, but for me, for a compact size pistol, I prefer the 9mm. So I was kind of looking for a Smith & Wesson Shield for a while, but I wasn't able to find it because it's hard to come by. So I gave up, and until last week I came upon this gun that I realized that they start making it in 9mm, which is everything that I could hope for. I really like pretty much everything about this gun. The feel on my hands is just perfect. The stainless slides is also a very nice feature. The hand grenade type of texture on the pistol grip kind of give the gun a more sophisticated look to it, and the rail adapter that you can put on lasers and flashlights and whatnot, which the Smith & Wesson Shield does not have. And it's a little bit more expensive than a Shield, but I think overall the extra money that I spend is well worth every penny of it. And so let's go and take these two guns to the range, and let's shoot a couple hundred rounds and see how it goes. Okay, today we're gonna be shooting at some targets at about 20 yards away, and I'm gonna be shooting my XDs 9mm and Glock 19. Let's go. Okay, Springfield XDs 9mm, 7 rounds. Works pretty well. Now let's try the Glock 19.
Yeah, a little different, huh?
Glock 19, 15 rounds.
I want it to explode.
Okay, first target 28 rounds with the XDs, another 28 rounds with the XDs. Pretty happy with the results overall. And this one's the 30 rounds with a Glock 19. Quite a few shots went outside to the left. And after I kind of adjust my grip, this is the 15 shots with one flyers with a Glock 19.